Hello, beautiful. Welcome to our fifth video on Basic of Excel. So in today's video, we are going to give you some beauty tips for the Excel font. Yes, we are talking about the Excel font, not about this guy. I'm also not going to use all those things to make it pretty or beautiful. Yes, of course, we will also see whether it's going to work on him also or not. So in today's to-do list, we are going to focus on the font section of our home tab. You can find the font section just between the clipboard and the alignment section. You can see it here. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to work on the font section, and we are going to make some font variants. Okay, you can see the cell C4. Here we are going to change the font style. I just wanted some different font style. So from here we can change the font style. You can choose any font style, whatever you want, whatever you like it, whatever you want it according to your work. Right now I want this one. I feel like very good for my presentation. I also want this, like, it's very small, so I want it a little big. So I'm going to increase the font size from font section. You can see it from here. So now it's looking much better. It's very clear. We can see it. It's like very black and white, and I just also want some different color of my font. I want a red color. I don't like this black color right now for my heading. So I'm going to change it from here. You can change the font color from here. You can change it according to your work, according to your preference. You can also see some headings like name and subscribe. We can change the color of the cell with the help of the font section. You can see fill color option from here. You can select the color whatever you want. From here you can change the cell color. I also want to change the font color. So you can see it like looking much better now. Of course, if you want to bold some letters, like you can see it like Chintu, Pintu, Mintu, you can bold it from here. And you can also use the italic font from here with the help of like I. You can use the italic font, and you can also see that this U, small u, with the help of this small u, you can also underline your text. Okay, now we are going to use some borders. So I'm going to select all those cells, and from here, you can see it from here, you can select any kind of border, whatever you want, including this one. Now you can see that we have border right now. So I think so that is the end of font section, and I feel so that it's looking much better. So if you haven't subscribed us, please subscribe us. Like Pintu hasn't subscribed us, so Pintu तो करो ना सब्सक्राइब यार. कब करोगे? पिंटू को थैंक्स बोलूंगा. मिंटू तुम भी यार सब्सक्राइब कर लो.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Okay, and don't forget to dislike our video, if I know that you don't like our content, that's why I'm saying you dislike it. And share it to your friends, family members, so that they can also dislike it. And you can ask any query, you can ask any problem related to this, not about this, because we are not the one who is going to answer for him. Okay. So if you have any query, you can ask it on our Instagram page. That is this, just say this. Don't forget to follow before asking this question. Asking any question, you have to follow me. And you can also ask on my email address, that is this. And in the last, we have also a comment section that is made for asking the question. You can ask it from here there. If you have any problem, please ask it. And if you want to criticize, you can also criticize on it. Because I know I made mistakes, and you have to watch it. So thank you guys.